Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Smittybilt tyre air compressor. Now this unit's a 2.5 CFM portable air compressor. It runs on 12 volt and it's the smaller of the two Smittybilt compressors. There is another one that's about 5 CFM I believe, but this is a smaller version. We bought this to take travelling with us and mainly for the size. The next size up is significantly bigger and will take up more space in our car. So it comes in a nice black bag. This bag is not padded, it's just a thin black material, but it feels sturdy and convenient to carry. There's two compartments to this bag. There's the main compartment for the air compressor. This is an air filter, 2 spare fuses and a couple of attachments for pumping up, looks like balls and balloons and perhaps air mattresses. This is the compressor itself. It's got an outlet hose with a quick release on it. They feel good quality and sturdy. Now on the top here, there's a label that says it's a 30 amp, 13.8 volt connection. So this is going to draw quite a bit of power. You definitely want the engine running while using this, otherwise we're quickly going to end up with a flat battery. Comes with the hose, the pressure gauge and attachment for the tyre, again with a quick release mechanism on it. And this looks like some advertising material or an instruction manual. Let's start by opening up the hose and having a look how long that is. One of my concerns with this product is whether this hose is actually going to reach the back wheels of our car. We just have the one battery mounted in the front of our car, and so I'm hoping that a combination of these wires and this hose will still allow us to reach the back of the car. At a guess, this hose is about 5 meters in length. The fittings on this hose feel like good quality fittings and they feel secure. They've got a rubber cover on there to make it easy to attach and deattach. So the attachments feel quite good quality. We'll set up the air filter. This is just a plastic air filter, but it'll do the job. And I believe the unit came with a fuse pre-fitted, 30 amp fuse already installed, and 2 more spare ones with it. So that cable will easily allow our compressor to reach the ground, and with the hose I think it'll reach our back wheels. But we'll find out in a minute when we try it out.